Is your Jaguar XF's infotainment screen frozen, or is there no audio? First, determine if the issue is software or hardware related. For frozen screens, software glitches are common, especially in pre-2019 models. Try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, or a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes. Note that safe operation requires you to park and turn off the ignition before performing any reset. If audio is the problem, check the fuses first. These basic resets address about 70% of infotainment failures according to Consumer Reports, 2025. Update to the latest firmware, version 22.4.1 as of July 2025 via OTA if possible. Jaguar's official forums report a 60% reduction in crashes after updates. If problems persist, use Jaguar's app or dealer tools for diagnostics. If basic resets don't resolve the issue, advanced diagnostics are necessary. Dealership diagnostics average $200 and can identify specific hardware problems. For persistent no audio issues, the amplifier may need replacement. This typically costs around £150 and requires checking wiring connections. Be aware of cybersecurity risks. Bluetooth hacks have increased 25% in 2025, potentially compromising the infotainment system. Looking ahead, Jaguar aims for fully cloud-based infotainment by 2027, eliminating frozen screens with real-time patches. Electric XF models already have more robust systems. For DIY fixes, third-party apps are available, but use caution to avoid voiding warranties. If issues persist, mechanic assistance averages $500 to $1,000. Hardware aging is inevitable, so regular maintenance and timely fixes are essential. Stay informed about Jaguar's updates for optimal performance.